This spiral staircase looks so nice. And you know what? All Spirals was built with no plugins at all. Welcome to UpSketch. Best place to level up your skills. Let's go! We'll start with one step of stairs, and we're gonna select and offset the curve as the guide by press O. In or out of the step, depends on the design. Since the op trade is 18 centimeter, we'll divide the curve into 18 segments. Make a vertical line on each with 10 increments, from 180 to 10. Connect the top of each line and erase unnecessary lines. See? Line is curving up now. Next, move up the curve to handrail level. Then we'll rotate it around the center. We'll use polar array to copy the spiral. Use the rotate tool. Type 30, enter. Type 11x and enter. Then, move up each curve to make the spiral. Nice and smooth spiral, right? Well, you can check the video on the corner if you don't know how to do polar array. Next, let's make the profile for handrail. A simple circle works best as the profile, because it won't twist awkwardly when we use the Follow Me tool. By the way, don't forget to hit like and subscribe button. Now, triple-click the spiral as the path for Follow Me. Click the Follow Me icon, then click on the handrail profile. Just like that. Smooth, continuous, and perfectly curved. Next, we're going to build the stair steps. From the first step, we just need to repeat the same way like the spiral, by combining polar array with move tool. If you need detailed explanation, you can check this video to learn step by step how to make steps for spiral staircase. Now let's make the mid-rail. It will make our stairs look much more safe. Using the same spiral, we'll do the exact same steps like handrail, but with smaller diameter. Move down the spiral, make the circle profile, then select the spiral, Follow Me tool, and click the profile. Don't forget to copy down as much as you need. We're almost there. Last part, we'll make the vertical pole for the center structure and the balusters. Before drawing the pole, make sure the total height of the stairs is good. Well, you'll always be able to put more steps if needed. Next, make circle at the bottom center, then pull it up. Looks good already, right? For balusters, open steps component and make circle in the center of curve, then pull it up to meet the handrail. Everything you did to a component will be affecting the same other components. That's it! Your smooth and neat spiral staircase is done. Want to see more tricks? Write down in the comment section below what's for next. Hit subscribe, like, and ring the bell so you won't miss our latest video. And don't forget to share this video to your friends. See you in the other videos! UpSketch. Learn fast. Sketch faster!